Hop into the 2020 Landrover Range Rover Evoque. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a svelte Range Rover Evoque that offers excellence from every vantage point. Solid feeling, lively performance, user-friendly touchscreen connectivity, standard driver assist safety features, and a strikingly stylish sensibility are yours in this remarkable subcompact luxury SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, backup camera, premium sound system, fog lamps, power passenger seat. Substance meets tasteful style in this upscale Range Rover Evoque. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.